It's citrusy, rich, very soft, and very, very delicious. Let's start making biscuit base. These are digestive biscuits. You can use other kinds of biscuit, whatever available you can find. Transfer biscuit crumbs into cake tin. Melted butter. I prefer using my hands. That's the texture after you put the butter into biscuits. It starts all of the sides and then we finish at the bottom of the cake tin. Keep this in refrigerator and that will also give you plenty of time to do the filling. Cream cheese. This is mascarpone, my favorite cream cheese. Sugar. All-purpose flour. Mix it with my little machine. Eggs, orange zest. This is orange cheesecake. Pour cheese mixture into cake tin. Ready to bake into preheated oven. Remove aluminum foil, leave it inside the oven to cool down and leave the door open. Cake has cooled down inside the oven. Now it's time to put it in refrigerator. Open it here. Let's see what's inside. Beautiful. First slice, there will be a second for sure.